Hello everybody, this is a quick unboxing of the slim 9.5mm Blu-ray drive model BU40N with M-Disk support by Hitachi for use with laptops and other slim bay devices. Unboxing is pushing it as a term, but I received this drive new from a store as is, inside a see-through plastic bag. They shipped it to me with the only protection, the receipt and the address label glued on the bag. At the time of this recording, I have not yet tested the drive. I plan to in my 2014 Celeron laptop. If you want a video about that, please let me know. This should be a 4K Blu-ray drive that can also read and write DVDs and CDs. Without a documentation, I don't know if it is 100% that, but on the label it says UHD Blu-ray/DVD writer. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, like if you don't want to, coffee link if you feel like it.